Oh, it's going. Hello friends, we're doing beef and vegetables like Asian style for supper tonight. So starting getting stuff ready. That steak we got from our cow. I have broccoli in my fridge mate. I have carrots, and the broccoli was also from the Imperfect box. This is Pampered Chef, this is Pampered Chef, this is Tupperware, this is Pampered Chef, and then I'm going to use the mandolin and I'm going to julienne the carrots today. I want them super small so they kind of blend in with everything. I got some mushrooms, I'll throw some onion and stuff in there. Yeah, I got a lot to do, and let's get started. Alright, I've got my broccoli going, just a little water and salt, going to boil that till it's tender. And then I've peeled and cut the ends off my carrots. Now, I can't do this one-handed, not that good, but we're going to julienne, so I'm going to do a few and then I'll show you how that works. 1 second. All right, I did one so you can see how fine they get matchsticks. Once I get all those cut up, I will throw them in with the broccoli. They'll cook quicker than normal because they're smaller cut, which is perfect because I like my carrots to be on the more tender side too. I'll get these other two done. I'll cut up my mushrooms and then I will slice up my meat and show you the marinade. Okay, so I had to switch pots because there was too much in here, but I got my vegetables going there. I got my sesame oil out, which is the best for doing any sort of Asian cooking. I have some of our Asian seasoning from Taste Buds that I have mixed in here with those couple mushrooms, a small half of an onion, some garlic paste, some soy sauce, and some rice wine vinegar. So we're just gonna kind of let that get all soupy and delicious like. And then I'm gonna cut up the meat next. All right, so I have my steak cut up. This was already tenderized, so I cut it probably a little bigger than I would if it were not tenderized. And this is marinating with some soy sauce, some powdered ginger, and some powdered onion. My vegetables are coming up to a boil, and I have the wok ready to go. I'm gonna wait till these have boiled a little bit longer because these are tenderized. They're gonna cook really quick once we get them on the heat. So we'll wait until that's a little closer to done before we do that. Pot for my rice, and then I have my sauce ready. He was in the marinade, but it is 2 to 1 of soy sauce and oyster sauce. If you just do soy sauce, it ends up kind of salty. So that 2 to 1 combination, 2 part soy sauce to 1 part oyster sauce, that's what we've been doing for as long as I've been making Chinese food at home, and we really seem to like that one. So I'm gonna boil a little bit, and then we'll be good to go in our wok soon. So this is boiling and almost done. We're gonna let that go for a couple more minutes, and I have the onions and mushroom stuff that I have in the sesame oil just to kind of get them a little soft before I put the steak in. That stuff all happens very fast, so I will probably not do anything. Well, you'll see, you'll understand. Can't really, this thing you can see from the steam. So I got that cooking. I wish y'all could smell this because it smells delicious. And I did find the ginger paste to put in there. My vegetables are draining. My water for the rice is almost boiling. This is gonna cook till the steak's done, and then I'll throw all the vegetables in and pour some sauce on top. Seriously, I wish y'all could smell this. Rice is almost done. 12 seconds. Go clear the timer. I got my vegetables and everything mixed in, and I poured a little over half of the sauce that I had prepared on the side over top just to get all the flavor through. I did find that ginger paste that I added in there as well. One of the nice things about Asian flavors is you can really customize what's in it. You could make this with chicken or shrimp or whatever protein you wanted. When we do fried rice, I put a bunch of scrambled eggs in there, and whatever vegetables your family eats. So we're good with broccoli and carrot, so that's all in here, and it's stuffed full of vegetables, which is awesome. So I did save a little bit of the sauce to put on the table to drizzle over the rice, which is now done. I just need to fluff it, and then we're ready for supper. We're waiting for Paul to get out of the bathroom. So another good thing, if you have any dietary restrictions, you can do this with low sodium soy sauce, and I'll double check the Asian seasoning, but I don't think anything I used today had a high amount of sodium other than the regular soy sauce. But again, just use the low sodium and you're good to go there. But look at all my vegetables. Yum.